Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more updates and upcoming videos. Activated charcoal can actually be helpful in changing the pH and health of the mouth. And as such, it is effective in preventing cavities and killing the bad bacteria present in tooth decay and gingivitis. After a few uses, your teeth will be noticeably whiter. All of the black washes away, and it makes your teeth feel extremely clean and smooth. Stay tuned to find out how to make your teeth whiter using natural charcoal powder. Put a very small amount of toothpaste on the toothbrush. Dip a clean, wet toothbrush into the powdered charcoal. Or dump a capsule of charcoal on the toothbrush. Lean over the container of charcoal, and quickly put the charcoal-covered toothbrush in the mouth. Brush in small, gentle circles for 2 minutes, spit carefully, and then rinse really well. Your mouth will feel amazingly clean after that. You may use as often as needed. You may click on the link in the description below to get one of the best teeth whitening natural charcoal powder.